This video will show you how to fix and adjust the tone of the Wondareed. First, disassemble the Wondareed body. What is important here is the curvature of the reed. The reed has two curves. One curve faces upwards from the far end of the reed, and the curve can be made like so. The appropriate curvature for both two curves will be explained later. I will first explain the method of creating the curvatures. The most important part of the Wondareed is the curvature at the tip of the reed. The curve should gradually face downwards. The curvature should start 3 mm from the tip of the reed. The method to achieve the right curvature is relatively difficult. First, the reed must be bent completely. Since the reed has elasticity, a small amount of bending using your nails and fingers is not enough to keep the reed bent. Therefore, it is important to bend using strong force. Make sure that the reed stays bent even when you release your fingers. Once bent, gently bend the reed the opposite way to achieve an appropriate gradual curve. I will now explain what the right curvature of the reed should look like. First, assemble the reed and steel plate using the clamp. When the reed and small steel plate is inserted in the Wondareed body, the first curve on the reed that is facing upwards from the far end should come in the middle between the steel plate and the bottom part of the Wondareed body. As for the curve on the tip of the reed, it should have a very gradual curve. As you bite the Wondareed, the reed should gradually come closer to the bottom part of the Wondareed. At the point where you can no longer bite anymore, the tip of the reed should be slightly above the holes on the Wondareed body. By having the correct curvature on the reed, you'll be able to produce different types of sounds on your Wondareed. Although it is difficult, please make sure that you have the correct curvature on your reed before you play in order to fully experience the fun of the Wondareed.